Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are talking about intimate skin lightening. So if this is a problem that you are facing and you are looking for a solution that you can do at your home, then this is a video for you. Please ensure you watch it till the end. But before we get started, if this is the first time you're coming to my channel or you haven't subscribed yet, please take a moment to subscribe. It means absolute world to me. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, intimate darkening or intimate skin darkening can happen because of multiple reasons, because of hormonal change, because of sudden changes in weight, because of pregnancy, and even because of something very basic as friction, specifically in your upper thigh area. So it can happen due to anything, and if this is a problem that you are facing, then I think this is one problem that we don't find a lot of solutions to, but this is an issue that I was looking at and I was trying to resolve, and I found a great product to help you at your home. So that is something that you can definitely try before going to a dermatologist. So guys, we do have solutions available with the dermatologists, but they are very expensive. So if this is something that you want to first try at home, maybe at a minimal cost, and then go to a dermatologist so that you can really take a decision and maybe save a lot of money, then definitely you can try this product. So the product that I'm talking about is the Sanfe Intimate Lightening Serum. So this is how it looks. So this is how the packaging comes. It actually comes in a tube. This is how the tube looks. It comes with a pump like this, so it's very easy to operate. Let me quickly read through the claims that it says. So basically this says this reduces discoloration and nourishes, and this specifically has lemon and mulberry. The main ingredient that is here is niacinamide. So if you can see, this is the third ingredient here. So the first is water, glycerin, and then third is niacinamide. Then it also has vitamin E, marula oil, moringa oil, arbutin, ashwagandha extract, mulberry extract, lemon peel extract, hemp oil, a lot of good things, and specifically it has niacinamide and arbutin. So these both ingredients are very much used in the skincare because they are miraculous products, especially when it comes to pigmentation. So as I said, niacinamide is the third ingredient. That means definitely it has a good percentage of niacinamide, so maybe between 5 to 10 at least. So that's why I believe this is a good product. So let's look at the texture of this serum. So let me quickly show you. So this is how the texture of the serum is. It's very gel like. It's very light to touch. It's not sticky whatsoever, and it immediately, once you rub it in your skin, it just goes and disappears into your skin. It very well melts into your skin. So as you can see, it has already gone. And yes, this is a very nice serum. So you will actually feel it to be very hydrating. That's because glycerin is the second ingredient, so it's very hydrating and nourishing as well. So yeah, as you can see, the product is already gone. So the texture is very light. It's not sticky. It will just absorb into your skin within seconds, maybe like 20 to 30 seconds, and it's very easy to wear. It does not cause any kind of irritation or rashes or any discomfort, because that would be something specifically when you're looking at a solution to be put it in your intimate area. So this does not cause any of those issues. Now the way that it has to be used is you have to take 2 to 3 pumps of this product, and just rub it within your hands and then apply it onto your intimate area, specifically where you have pigmentation. And just once it gets fully absorbed, then you have to leave it for about 2 minutes before you wear your clothes, so that it gets very well absorbed into your skin and doesn't actually the product is not lost in your clothing. So just wait for about 2 minutes and then wear your clothing. So that's what it is. And specifically, if you talk about the instructions that it says is use twice a day, continue uses for 6 weeks or till you achieve the desired result. So this specifically is for your intimate area, like in your upper thigh area. But I believe that you can definitely use it in your underarms as well. So now let me talk about my experience on this one. So I have been using this for about, I would say, 1.5 to 2 months. I have already finished one full tube of this one, and I am already on my second tube. And I got the second tube because I definitely saw results after finishing my first tube. So as it says that you have to use it twice a day, but to be honest with you, I was not very regular with it. I used to skip it in between. I actually started seeing the results within like a week or 2 weeks of application. Now today I am at a result of about 50%. I have definitely seen a reduction of 50% in my pigmentation, so I'm extremely happy. Now probably because if you applied consistently twice in a day, you might see the same results a little earlier. I was little lazy, so I was not using it twice daily. I used to even skip days, and that's why probably I saw the result a little slower. But I am definitely pumped up to use it every day now, and I am using it every day now because I'm very, very positive that I will see even better results. So definitely this has worked amazing for me. If you're looking for a solution to this issue, and if you're facing it, you can definitely give it a try without any hesitation. And if it works for you as well, great. Otherwise, you can always go for a dermatologist opinion. Now let's talk about the price point. So guys, this is comes at an MRP of $5.99. But to be honest, I think on Amazon this is always on discount. Like I've bought it twice, and both the times I got it on discount. I think I got it around 500 rupees. Yeah, maybe 549 or 500 rupees. It also comes into some kind of deals as well, so you might get even cheaper on this one. So definitely something that you can use for about 2 to 3 months as well, and see if you're getting the desired results. So it's very, very inexpensive compared to if you would go for a dermatologist kind of a treatment. So guys, that was all that I wanted to share with you. I hope this video was helpful for you. I will be linking the product in the description bar. I think they have their own website as well, so I will be linking that as well. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, hit on the notification button so that you never miss any video from my end. And we will meet very, very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.